Whoa, look at this! The airbrush AI image generator. I just got my hands on it from AppSumo today. Let's unbox and see what all the hype is about. First impression. Featured zufrieden. The interface is super sleek and modern. Okay, let's dive in and try generating an image. I'm typing a prompt, sunset over a futuristic city. Hit generate, and wow, it's working instantly! Look at that! The image popped up in seconds. The details are sharp, colors vibrant. This looks professional. Let's try another. Surreal underwater landscape with jellyfish. Again, super fast, just a few seconds to create. The artwork is stunning. It feels like magic. I'm genuinely impressed by the quality and speed here. No more waiting hours for design revisions or edits. Now, let's explore some customization options. You can tweak styles, colors, and even composition. I'm adjusting the color palette. Let's make it pastel. Instantly, the image updates. So easy to use. This could save creators tons of time and effort. I'm thinking about how useful this is for marketers. Need social media visuals? Just type and generate. Want unique blog images? Airbrush has you covered. Even for presentations or ads, it's a game changer. Let's compare. Traditional design versus airbrush AI. Traditional way, hours spent designing, editing, revising. With airbrush, seconds to get high-quality, custom images. That's a huge advantage for busy professionals. Now let's talk about the deal on AppSumo. Right now, AppSumo has the best price for airbrush. You get full access without breaking the bank. For anyone creating visuals, this is a smart investment. I'm loving how intuitive and fast everything feels. No complicated setup, just open and start creating. Let's try generating a logo for a new brand. Type the brand name, pick a style, hit generate. Boom! Logo options appear instantly, ready to use. This could really help startups and small businesses. Now, let's see how it handles photorealistic images. Prompt: portrait of a smiling woman in natural light. Then, the result is surprisingly lifelike and detailed. It's not just for art, great for product shots too. I'm testing a modern coffee mug on a marble table. The image looks clean, crisp, and ready for marketing. Airbrush makes visual content creation effortless. No need for advanced design skills or expensive software. Just your ideas and a few clicks, that's all it takes. I can see this boosting productivity for any team. If you're a creator, marketer, or business owner, check this out. Honestly, I wish I had this tool years ago. It's a must-have for anyone needing quick, quality images. One tip: experiment with prompts for unique results. Don't miss the AppSumo deal. It's the best value. Ready to create stunning images in seconds? Grab Airbrush AI Image Generator from AppSumo today. Transform your workflow and level up your visuals. Thanks for watching. Go try Airbrush and get creative.